Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find out your Venmo PIN number. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we want to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL you want to open up. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you have gotten open the application, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is log into our account where our Venmo credit card is. So if you do not already have an account with a credit card, what you can do is register for one. Clicking the Get Venmo option is going to enable you to register for an account. On your mobile phone, just continue with your phone number and create an account. So once you have gotten your account, log in. After we have logged in, we are going to be greeted by the main page. The main page is going to look like this on our mobile phone. As you can see, this is the home page where at the bottom of the screen we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, cards, crypto, and so on. And now we can get started. So how do we find our PIN number? It's very easy. Basically, as you can see right here on the official Help Venmo page, there is an article showing us what to do if we want to find our PIN number. So if you forgot or haven't set your PIN for your Venmo credit card, you can begin the process by reaching out to the Synchrony Bank right here at this number. So you're going to call this number and ask for the PIN number of your Venmo credit card. They're then going to ask you some information such as your Venmo details and so on to find out what the PIN number is for yourself. But if you know your PIN, you can change it anytime as well by calling this number. So you have multiple options that you have because you do not have any direct way to take a look at your PIN number directly from the Venmo application. You're going to go ahead and be able to call this number, and that is the only way. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.